Yeah.
This is a Sainik Academy, that army school, no?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
It's an army school.
They will just put the entire husk into this, and it will crush by the machine and go through this conveyor belt.
Oh, right. That's similar to when they make cider.
Yeah.
They put the apples in, crunch it up.
Yeah. So many crushes are there. After that, that will turn into the dust form.
Yeah.
If we just came here when it's working, it will be much dust and sound.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Like at the silk factory, brilliant.
And the tea factory.
And yeah.
So they will just water it on a daily basis, and after they will just make it powder form. So then they will just press it with a machine and make it in a brick form, and that can be available in kgs, 2 kg brick, 5 kg brick, 10 kg bricks. Mainly they are exporting this to Russia, China, that kind of places. And in the front we can see the small bricks they are making and packing the things. That is the biggest godown. There they just keep the 10 kg bricks, 20 kg bricks.
It's amazing.
That's for putting plants
We
in.
just use it in the pots
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
And if we water it, the water will stay 24 days.
Holds it. Yeah.
So we don't want to pour the water every day. That's the thing. To make the
Efficient. Very efficient.
yeah. There they have the biggest bricks now, 5 kg, 10 kg is there. Yeah, African chili. There they made the tomatoes.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Cocoa peat. That's a good idea.
On the other side, we can see a choir farm also. You can just those are tomatoes.
Yeah.
Fields and fields of them.
lot of wood.
On the head.
Oh, that's what they were doing.
Yeah.
Children.
Wow.
They are also concerned about their daily lives.
People work here.
I think more than hundreds. From this they make the choirs.
Oh yeah.
These are the machines.
Oh, lots of them.
This is the choirs.
So that's.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Rope for rope.
you.
Is it like hemp?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They will take the
Rope?
2 or 3 strings, and here you can see the nylon thread.
Oh right.
They
oh,
will
yeah.
just mix it up with this thing, and finally the byproduct is these things,
Oh.
stronger ones.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a rope making machine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of rope making machines.
You can't stand in the daytime here. It will be much.
Too noisy. Phew.
And also too much dusty.
Yeah, too dusty. Yeah.
Yes, they hit the coils.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah. That's cool.
That's a small dog.